Let go or be dragged.
手放すか、引きずられ続けられるか。
We tend to attach things that are not so important. When I started a purse business, I wanted to know how manufacturing business flows. I thought I would pivot to another business model within 5 years. 6 years passed, I had an opportunity to pivot to another business model. I didn't let go of the purse business and decided to run both the purse business and new e-commerce business instead. During the Great Recession, the purse business accumulated snowball debt. If I let the business go 2 years earlier, I may not have been dragged by the purse business. I learned a lesson from my mistake when I failed to focus on one thing at a time. Please think twice when it comes to holding on to something old when a new opportunity comes up.